Hello everybody, my name is Kyle Koch and welcome to my week 4 video review for MDF2 1404. This week we were tasked with creating an application that used a bit more of the advanced features of the table view, and by doing this we were to create 3 movie theaters, and within each of those 3 movie theaters they were all to have at least 5 different movies playing in them. So for my project what I had done is used actually some of my favorite movies. So I first used all 6 of the Star Wars movies. I then used the first 6 James Bond movies, well, all the Sean Connery Bonds anyways. And then finally, because there aren't enough of the Bourne movies, there's only 4 of them, I decided just to do Matt Damon movies. So I used the first 3 Bourne movies and then Ocean's 11 and Green Zone to fill out my theaters with enough movies. And going over the code, there's not a whole lot we haven't done before. The view for the header in our table view, that was new. It went fairly decently. I didn't have too much of an issue with that. Everything seemed to go pretty smoothly in terms of getting that working and how it should be. The styling was relatively easy to get figured out, and after that it was pretty much business as usual when it comes to creating the table view. There was a little bit of extra code to do due to the fact that we were putting an array inside of an array, but all things considered it was nothing too drastically different from what we already have done in previous weeks. And what I could have done better this week, truth be told, I'm not entirely sure. What I would really like to have done was being able to use the links to YouTube to play the actual movie trailers, but sadly it requires some API work, and for this week it was a matter of time and just being able to get the project completed. So I had to step back from using any YouTube videos, and I actually just made a few little short videos that just introduced the movie title and said this is the movie for Ocean's 11, and basically just use those as my videos for the week. I'm going to now quickly go over the actual application running. So here you can see I have it up and running in the iOS simulator. As you can see, I came up with very original names for the movie theaters. They're just all custom. I didn't use specific real-life ones, and then I put what location they were in. So I have the Star Wars ones, which lists all the Star Wars movies. And then you can see I have James Bond Theater here in London, England. It seemed fitting. And then down here I just have a Matt Damon Theater, and it's in Boston because I know in and around Massachusetts is about where he's from, so that's what I used in terms of that. So if I click on here, it comes up to the detail view, lists the picture, the times, the name of the movie. And if we go back, let's go down, we'll go Goldfinger. Again, it comes up. You can go back one more time and we'll just pick one of the movies here. And as you can see, everything loads up. Open the trailer. Nothing plays yet. Play movie. This is the movie trailer for The Bourne Ultimatum. It plays the movie. You can go back. I have it set to take you all the way back because it seemed a little weird to go back to the detail view just to have to go back one more step. So I think it's easier just to go back right to the main page. So we'll go into this movie, open trailer, we'll play. This is the movie. And as you can see, if I stop, it stops immediately. And the user can again just quickly go back and continue to scroll through the movies and see what they can all go and see in the theaters. I hope everyone had an excellent month, and I look forward to working with everyone in the future. Thank you very much.